Hey there, and welcome back to Debo Bricks. We've got the renovation done here on Dr. Strange's house. As you can see, there's been some, well, if you've seen the previous video, you can see there have been some updates to the front there. New golden banana installation there above the front door. Also with a lighted dome in top. And then some more bananas further up. Inside, you see we got the floors tiled out. We got things attenuated in there a little bit nicer. On the second floor, you see there's that little doorway for the bathroom that goes underneath the stairs, because I've been trying to put bathrooms in my city now, because sometimes you just gotta go. The lights rewired in there. All the wires are hidden, and the lights are on adjustable, I guess you'd call them tool ball joints or mixel joints. So they're directional. They're like little spots. You can put them anywhere. And that clock there's a nice little, I think it's a nice little touch. It's kind of cobbled that together at the last second. That clock face actually was an extra one I got with the Yellow Submarine. Don't know why I got an extra one in there, but I'm not looking that gift horse in the mouth. Back of the place here. The 8x8 grill plates on the back are kind of covering up the wiring that's going from one floor to the next, because we've got that two stud wide gap there at the back of the building, so why not use it? Also, the lid is now on a hinge, so I don't have to find a place to set that every time I pull this thing out to try and do some work on it. I moved the gutter back a couple studs there on the left hand side, makes it a little easier and cleaner. Looking here on the inside, cleaned up the area around the portals inside the doors there. The first floor is just loaded with portals. Here on the second floor, made a new couch using dark blue, light gray, and then see, we got a game console there and big screen TV, and then behind that is the wall access to the bathroom, just because you can't really get through that door as a human. Set that back there. All right, and there you can see the double staircase. Up here is the switch for the lights, and you might notice a couple Harry Potter artifacts in here. That's because secretly in my town there's a running joke that he went to Hogwarts at some point in his life. Doctor Strange. And you can see the mini kit in there for all you Lego game enthusiasts. Doctor Strange needs some art on his walls, and I'm not coming up with anything good. So if you can come up with a design 4x8, I'm looking for 4 to 6 of those to go up in his wall there, some little paintings. So mosaics, if you got them, hit me up on Instagram. Love to see it.